खय जातो तू? That looks so sick, man. Amazing. Oof, oof, oof. Look at that. I'm a little hungry. Alrighty, tighty. All set to go. All set to go where? I'm going to my hometown, as I had mentioned earlier in the previous video of mine. I'm going to my hometown for Diwali for a week, and yes, I'm riding home this time because why not? And I have disappointed myself already because I was actually supposed to leave at 3 in the morning, and I couldn't keep the promise to myself.
इतना गलत कैसे हो सकता है भाई?
मतलब what level of ignorance do you need to have to ignore yourself? To not keep your promise to yourself. It shows 9 hours, a ride of 9 hours, but surely it won't take 9 hours. It will take longer than that because I'll also be taking a few breaks every once in a while for lunch, for breakfast. My alarm went off. I didn't even realize it. Probably I was in deep sleep. So I woke up by 6 o'clock, and again I had disappointed myself because I didn't do the dishes that I used yesterday for dinner. So सुबह बैठ के राइड पे निकलना है और भाई साहब बर्तन धो रहे हैं.
ये सब संस्कारों का खेल है.
So I washed the dishes because there won't be anyone. Oh, this thing came off. Anyway, never mind. Because there won't be anyone at my place, so I thought might as well just clean everything and leave. Otherwise, some new species will born inside my kitchen.
Are you aware how filthy your kitchen is?
Yes, ma'am.
How dare you?
So I thought might as well just make everything up to date and then leave. So that's what I did, guys. I completed my responsibility. See, I'm a very responsible person. Okay, this thing is bothering me a lot. I'll clamp it out. By the way, these are the new knee pads that I got for myself. Whoops. Didn't see that coming. Okay, anyway, these are the new knee pads that I got myself. I also got this Rhinox tank bag as well, and the jacket as well. So yeah, I've got 4 products of Rhinox already. Rhinox gloves, Rhinox jacket, Rhinox knee pads, Rhinox tank bag. I've become like a brand ambassador of Rhinox. Rhinox, if you're watching, you know what to do. Do the honors. Please do the honors. Pay me. And yes, of course, you will get a comprehensive feedback review of all these gears. Now I'm actually going to ride for 1,000 kilometers. Not one way, 2 way. 1,000 kilometers. So I'll be perfectly eligible to, give you a proper review of this guide riding gear. The weather is beautiful today, touch wood. I just hope it stays the same all throughout the day.
इसकी गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता.
I am estimating to reach by 7 in the evening. Let's see, it shows 5, but obviously I'll be taking breaks in between, so I might reach by 7 max to max, which I still doubt because things often don't go as per planned, and me riding a Royal Enfield emphasizes that fact even more.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
But the bike feels very smooth though, I must say that, touch wood again. I'm not superstitious as such, but with Royal Enfield, dude, you have to You have to be as superstitious as you can get. खय जातो तू? जातोय मी घरी. मी बघले हो सावतर को कसं काय दिसता? हा
आई पप्पा
खय येतात?
येतो आता ट्रॅव्हल्स नाही इले आता
अच्छा हयच येतलं.
A few moments later.
चल मग. हा. Seriously, what are the odds, dude? Like seriously, what are the odds? Like I just spotted him on the road, dude. Like props to my identification skills though. Amazing. That's my school friend, by the way. Like literally like school friend since like 4th 5th grade. Small world. But I'm actually very surprised that I identified him and it actually turned out to be him. Crazy, dude, crazy. That's a brilliant start to the day. I actually feel very good. I don't know, somehow, man, wherever you are, if you find someone that's remote, that's very that's dear to you, you feel really great about life. I don't know how to explain that. And actually I was in a great mood since morning, and of course I'm also going to be treated by some really nice roads, I hope. So I was looking forward to the day. I was very excited for the day. And when you meet some very old friend like that, it's sad that I was in a hurry, so I had to leave early. And he also was quite in the middle of something. His parents have come from his hometown to meet him. So yeah, he was quite busy with them. Finally touched the highway, like long back, but yeah. Weather is amazing. Look at that. That looks like a gaming background, dude. Nice and foggy. I don't know how much of that is smoke, but sure. I'd like to assume that it's fog. I'm too late to call it fog now. It's 8:42. It's almost 9 a.m. Yeah. There's going to be a tunnel ahead. So that's why I switched on the camera. Content, guys, content. Ooh, that looks so sick, man. Amazing. I wish the lighting were a little more bright. I've almost reached Lonavala now, and it's 9:30 already. But this is fun. This is really fun.
दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है। बेसिक ट्रिक है। एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ। पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
always keep your eyes at the end of the corner if someo's coming. If no one's coming, then it's safe to overtake. The roads, dude, they're not just good, they're beautiful as well. Like, rarely do you get to see such beautiful roads. Oof, oof, oof. Look at that. Look at that twisties. When you get the twisties, you twist the throttle. People are clicking photos. There's no one to click mine. Look at that city. What sight, man, what sight.
A few inches later.
It's very smoky in here though. There's actually no way for the smoke to go out, I guess. But riding in a tunnel feels amazing, man. I wish I could ride to that Atal tunnel, man. But that has got a speed limit for some 40 kilometers per hour. But that's okay, at least you get a latest view of the tunnel, no? Oh my god, it's so fucking bright out. Now my butt has started to hurt a little bit. I'm past Pune. I'm a little hey, idiot. All right, back to the road. Had some peanut butter sandwich and a Red Bull. So I'm back and energetic now. Hey, am I going back? No, right? It's the same way. Cool. I just need to tighten this up a little bit. Where's that knob, dude? Okay. Whoa, I loosened it. Okay, cool. I've crossed Pune, by the way. It was okay till now. Like, the roads were fine, like good. They were good. Not fine, they were actually good. But let's see now. Up ahead will be Satara, I guess. I'm actually very energetic, dude. Like, this caffeine has gone into my nerves like crazy. I was actually a little tired earlier. I'm as fresh as I was in morning. But a long way to go, 6 hours of riding. It's 11:36, almost 12 right now. I took a nice break. I spent my break watching Mortal Moto's new video featuring me, huh? Good job done there, bro. The one where we were stopped by the cops twice. So yeah, my rest break was quite entertaining. I was hungry, thirsty and tired, but now I fulfilled everything. I drank some water, I drank some Red Bull, and I also ate a few sandwiches as well, peanut butter sandwiches. So I'm all happy right now. I just hope that my bike doesn't give up midway. But although I'd be naive to not see that coming if anything comes. A tire puncture, some bolt getting loose, or anything might happen. My seat would come off. I won't be surprised, dude. I've been riding this at 90, 100, 90, 100 throughout for the last 130 kilometers. So
मैं कोई बोतल से निकला हुआ भूत हूँ कि एक के बाद एक काम देते जा रहे हैं.
I'm putting this bike to test, by the way. What the hell? It's quite sunny out here, but I can't feel the heat thanks to the Rhinox jacket that I bought recently, you know. I'm not flexing at all. Hold on. What is the reason that you have to change lanes when there's nothing here, man? Yeah, so as I was saying, I often get distracted with, what do I say, idiots on road. I'm up to saying something, and something happens. But I'm getting content. What was I saying though? What was I talking about? Yeah, I was talking about the climate and my jacket, yeah. So as I was saying, I actually am not feeling the sun because I'm at a constant speed, and because of the wind and good ventilation on this jacket. On the new jacket, you know, I bought this new jacket. Do you know that? Have I told that before? Have I mentioned it? Yeah, so the ventilation is pretty good on this one. Also on my knee pads, they have got a few vents here and there to get the ventilation going. And special thanks to Mortal Moto, he lent me his air seat, I guess, if that's what it's called. I don't know what it's called exactly, but that air balloon thingy that you put on your seat. So that's what he gave me. He had one, and he was kind enough to give that to me for this ride. So yeah, it's very comfortable up until at least till now. I don't know about what will happen further.
बैठो बेटा, बहुत कुछ समझना है जिंदगी में.
But this thing is a blessing, dude. Like seriously, it's a blessing. I actually can feel the difference. Also, about the energy part, yeah, of course, there's caffeine into play. So the energy is full right now. But my butt doesn't feel at all. Like, I mean, I do feel my butt, but it doesn't feel any pain. So that's a good thing, probably. But it's too soon to judge because I've got a long way to go. More 5 hours. So yes, I just completed 4 hours, and the later bigger half of the ride is still pending. So, and I'm happy and nice till now. You never know what might happen next. Also, there are going to be bad roads further ahead, and there are also going to be ghats. Ghats are going to be fun and entertaining, but the bad roads are going to be a suffering for sure. So let's see. you will get a review. If I really find this comfortable, this is going to be the first thing I buy after I'm back to Mumbai. Sorry, bro. Yes guys, we have upgraded from a bike to a car now. But motovlog is motovlog.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please